What's up? Welcome back to another vlog. And for today's video, guys, we're going to do some makeup look with my sister, and I have a visitor. Come here. With my sister, Cherry. This is my sister, Christiane.
Kumusta naman sa channel ng sister ko, guys? So for today's video, we are going to do this look.
Yes.
Right now, and if you're curious how we did this quarantine makeup look, keep on watching.
In 3, 2, 1, let's go!
Okay, so first we are going to do a setting spray. We are using MAC Fix and Prime setting spray. So this will serve as your primer. You have to spray like this. Ano po, sis?
Okay,
You have to let it dry.
okay.
This is our skin, up close and personal.
Oh, it's glowy.
For the base, we are using, what's that? Cream tinted sunscreen from Sunglow.
And I am using
Bello.
Bello sunscreen, tinted sunscreen. Okay? And this is my favorite one. Paborito ko siya kasi ano kasi tong Bello, may tone adapt technology.
Ito kasi, nanong naga-Tagalog man ta sis. Kani manggod, kina siya shade, it's medium, and she's lighter than me. That's why she has to use.
So, magkakamay lang po tayo. Okay. Asa na to akong mirror?
So here's it.
Namagod the mirror, no? So, ayan.
After the sunscreen,
Wala ta kukoy.
maguna ko gamay sis, kay isa ra tong brush. Damak-damak lang sana. This is
Okay.
what I'm using for the powder. It's Pond's Magic Powder. Walang shade. So, after ano sis, mag-powder na ka sis.
Okay.
To set,
As free? Wow.
to set, to set me free. Oh.
Oh. Wait me. Bakit hindi mag-dry ang aking face? Okay, I'm done.
You're done?
I'm done with the
I'm done with you.
what is it? The tinted sunscreen. Next is
Powder.
powder. Okay, I'm going to put some powder on my face.
Mag-una ko gamay guys. Nano ko sa pangkilay. I'm using the Face Shop Designing Eyebrow Pencil in the shade Dark Brown. This one.
Okay, I'm done with the powder.
Okay, pangkilay na to sis.
Nya kayo, ka na humanday.
Napay isa dire ka pangkilay sis.
Okay. Dato man ni siya dyes. Dato man ni siya sa makeup.
Daghan tag makeup dire guys.
Kani?
Oo.
And I'm using Better Than Basic. Wow. Better than me. It's Caroline Best Brow Liner. Oh, where's the camera? Okay, it's Caroline Best Brow Liner. Okay, let's start. Pagandahan ng kilay to.
Oh, isa ka oras kilay lang mo siya sis.
Pagandahan ng kilay to.
And after you outline your brows, you have to fill it in and brush it upwards. Para bushy-bushy siya, guys. Kanya ako sunod, Nichido eyebrow gel. Tapos brush up.
Kasi color ganyan ko?
Dark brown.
Ay, dark brown. Ay nga pala guys, dark brown ko lang ginamit ko na ano shade. Parang wala lang siya, no? Diba? Parang ang pagmamahal niya, parang wala lang. Oh God!
Oh God. Madam Kilay kasi, yes. Oh, see, look at my brows. Look at the sun glow.
Guys.
Akong skin. Oh, diba? Di ka perfect. Pero kaya na.
Hindi guys, ang kulang talaga mo.
Magkilay.
Kilay.
Dali sis, di mag-shadow pa ta sis.
Eh? Hindi natin siya pagandahin, no? Kasi time consuming.
Char! Tingnan ko ka sis. Sis, ha? Di na ito mag-concealer. Kaya na, sa balay. Diretso na ta. Sa? Na ka sis. Still eye makeup gihapon. So, for my...
So, ito na po. Ang aking kilay.
Ang Madam
So,
Kilay.
diba? Nipis-nipis lang. That's my kilay.
Down to our eyeshadow, we are going to use... I am going to use two palettes. This EB Pro Play palette eyeshadow. This one and the ColourPop Cute AF. Pero simple lang siya na eye makeup. Brown lang tayo sis. But I'm using pink, so I'm gonna use pink eyeshadow. How about you? You have to tap off the excess para pag butang mo sa imuhang mata, dili siya shocking. Shock na lang ka.
Shock na lang ka. Wala na siya pagkaugma. Wala na siya pagkaugma.
You see? Nag-warm up na ang crease. So you have to do it in your eyes. So, while she's doing her face, I'm gonna do the second color. And this is...
Kita na ba guys? Kaibahan
This
mo naman.
the shade Bar Cake sa ColourPop. This one.
Ano din mo bigyan mo ito? Why she quit? Okay, next is ito po ang gamitin kong shade. This one, the dark brown.
Then for the shimmer, I'm going to use, I guess, this one. We're just gonna use our ring finger for the shimmer.
Next is shimmering. Shimmering.
Shining,
Shiny, shimmering. Okay, I'll use this one.
The medyo gold color.
Okay.
I am going to use this brush for the golden muta. Ayan, golden muta. Golden muta. Here. See? Shining. Sige na. Next. Next is the eyeliner part. This one we are using for the eyeliner because we ran out of eyeliner. But we're gonna try this if this one works. Done with my eyeliner.
Okay, align. Doing my eyeliner.
Next, for me, eyelash curler. There are my eyebrows. See?
Okay.
She almost done with our eye makeup. Next, you have to curl your lashes. For the mascara, we are using the Maybelline pinakahugaw nga. Ay, dara the end. Maybelline Total Temptation na hugaw nga mascara. So, we are going to...
And next is I'll do my eyelash curl. I curl my lashes.
Look at my eyelashes. It's surprisingly volumized, and it's also has also lengthened the eyelashes. The eyelashes ka.
Okay, next is the eyelashes.
Mine, I'll go with a contour. Let's contour. Even if we do have small faces, we still need to contour because puti kaya itong now. So we have to put some color and put some definition on our faces. So we are going to use this flat brush. This brush, a flat brush. While she's doing her eye makeup, I'm now going to the face makeup. And we are using this Bobby Cosmetics ISDA Runway Ready Contour Kit. This one. And we are using, of course, the lighter shade there. Then, I'm done with contour. Mag-contour tayo. She's not yet done with her eyes. There, contoured nose.
Okay. Tapos ka na rin. Gamay ang aking face.
Guys, tip, when Ate got married, I was the one who did her makeup. So, well, flash a photo here. When yung makeup look at ang gikasal siya, gapay siya na. It's because of me. And because of her.
Yeah, that's correct. And that's true.
I did her hair and makeup.
Yes.
Kanang ina to ragon, guys.
Siya po gumawa ng makeup. And thanks to her. How would I go?
Look. See? None of them noses. Okay, do your brush na sis. Kaya mo yun? Okay. So for the blush. I don't know what we are going to use.
Go to the blush.
So we are still going to use this Bobbi Brown. The pink one here. Because I don't know where are my blushes. So you have to do like this. Just the apples of your cheeks. Like that. Na, contour mo na sis. So you will look like
Katang akong contour ba nga?
kinikilig lang, ganun. There. See? You will look like cute lang, ganun. Ito naman sis.
Okay, I'll do my
Blush.
blush now.
Then after she's done with her blush, she will also use the
Yeah.
highlighter. This is by Power Glows in Splendid. This one, Splendid.
Splendid.
We're almost done with our makeup. Then just do put highlight at the highest points of your face para makapag sino. Your nose bridge, your cheeks there. Ay, this ba? Hindi ko kabalimutan ako sa camera natin. Nagpamit na natin. There you go. Pack, highlight, gano'n. Okay, pag-highlighter na sis. Ay, nan. Blush. Highlighter na sis. It's okay guys, kay lugod kayong workstation. So, pagbukas tayo sa
Highlighter na tayo.
highlighter.
Highlight.
Basta katong video is yung picture ko sa kay. Ano yan, kapag dalawa ng highlighter sa kamong pangis. Let's use this one. There, we're done with our highlighter. Ay, like, gabi na. Ano, pa-close. Ano, dito yung camera? Last, we're gonna do our lipstick. So for me, for you sis, what is this sis?
Yeah, this one. For my lips, I'll do gamit ako ng Blight Stellar Satin.
Satin in the shade.
And the shade is, what's the shade of this one? 1, 2, 3, Titanium. Tama? 1, 2, 3.
And as for me, I'm just going to use the lip screen, tinted lip screen from Stale Sun Glow in the shade Sunkissed. This one.
Wow.
This one. This is just some sort of lip gloss, but it does have a shade. See how glossy it is? Mwah. Oh, see, it's also glossy man.
Ang gani.
There.
There
You go. We are just gonna finalize our look and
we'll be back. And guys, we're back!
Yes.
And this is our final look.
there you go.
There you go.
There you go.
This is our simple makeup.
Quarantine makeup look na parang may pupuntahan pero wala naman.
Pero wala naman.
Pagka humana ng makeup,
Mas-
matulog. Pangutanan yung mama guys
Ba-
sa mod to. Yung na nga. Matulog lang yun.
Pag human sa makeup, maligo. And that's it, guys.
So, what can you say about her makeup? And my makeup? So, yun lang.
So yun lang, guys. Hope you enjoy our makeup look.
Quarantine makeup.
Quarantine makeup look. And thank you so much.
Palihan
And
mag-subscribe siyang channel. My dear sister.
it's Esther Joy Jose and
In 3, 2, 1,
bye bye.